Right now, you can buy 1 million tokens of context, enough to process a 750-page book in a single request, from DeepSeek for exactly 14 cents. The cost of raw machine intelligence has plummeted so fast it is practically free. Relying on the promise of that cheap automation, tech companies have aggressively trimmed their workforce. So far in 2026, the industry has eliminated nearly 92,000 jobs, betting that these increasingly capable models will seamlessly pick up the slack. This chart shows the lines cross for corporate spending on human salaries versus physical AI infrastructure. An executive at NVIDIA, the company selling the bulk of this hardware, recently admitted that the compute required to actually run his team's AI currently costs more than the human employees those systems were meant to augment. The economic math is proving difficult to balance. Researchers at MIT found that for vision-focused roles, automating the job makes financial sense in fewer than a quarter of cases. For the remaining 77%, paying a human being remains the more affordable option. The enterprise AI industry is operating on an inverted ledger. Instead of a highly efficient digital workforce, many companies have purchased massive digital engines that cost far more to house and operate than the people they displaced. Beyond operational costs, we are seeing severe security vulnerabilities baked directly into how these tools function. Security researchers recently discovered that RAMP's AI spreadsheet tool was susceptible to indirect prompt injection, a flaw where malicious instructions are hidden inside imported data, automatically hijacking the AI agent. Requiring zero user approval, the moment a compromised file renders on screen, hidden instructions take control. The hijacked AI packages sensitive financial data into image formulas, silently mailing it to an attacker-controlled server disguised as a network request. That is an application-level vulnerability, but the foundational operating systems running these models are also brittle. Because it is a straight-line logic flaw in how permissions are checked, exploiting it does not require precise timing or network access. A 732-byte Python script is all it takes for an unprivileged user to seize complete control over nearly any enterprise server shipped since 2017. Trillion-dollar expectations are being built on digital infrastructure that is proving fragile at both the application layer and the foundational kernel. As developers increasingly rely on AI to write code, human oversight is beginning to slip. Engineering teams are reporting a phenomenon called vibe slop, a decline in code quality when developers trust AI output enough to stop carefully reviewing it. You cannot simply build an automated AI testing suite to catch these errors. The mathematical evaluation tests required to prove an AI agent is functioning correctly are becoming increasingly and prohibitively expensive. This graph tracks the rising cost of proving a model's competence. A single comprehensive evaluation run of the HAL agent benchmark across its test scenarios now costs $40,000. This creates a massive gap in visibility. When humans stop verifying output and tests become too expensive, code reliability begins to degrade, with no way to measure damage. To manage the massive scale of these models, the industry has relied on mixture of experts architectures. These designs only activate a small fraction of the model per query, which saves compute but adds layers of structural complexity. Mistral has challenged that approach by releasing Medium 3.5, a 128 billion parameter dense model. In this architecture, there are no shortcuts. Every single parameter works on every single request. By concentrating their engineering rather than just scaling up, Mistral matches the performance of many mixture of experts models twice its complexity on industry coding benchmarks. Mistral's performance demonstrates that sprawling, massive architectures are no longer the only viable path to high performance. Simpler, high-density engineering can achieve the same results with far less structural overhead. Developers are beginning to favor tools that offer more control. Instead of centralized, unpredictable cloud copilots, they are adopting open-source agent managers like Warp Terminal to strictly orchestrate and monitor their AI sessions locally. They are also moving away from using one AI to judge another. Instead, tools like CodeScene provide deterministic feedback, repeatable, hard math used to measure technical debt, giving engineers a non-AI quality gate to check the machine's work. AI in 2026 is increasingly viewed as heavy industrial machinery. It requires strict boundaries, requires constant maintenance, and rigorous safety protocols, rather than being treated as a magical human replacement. The teams successfully navigating this transition are not necessarily those with the largest models. They are the ones treating AI as physical infrastructure, complete with unforgiving ledgers, brutal security requirements, and relentless human accountability.